Looking for the best SEO tools brands online? There are too many options and not sure what to choose. Worried that a lower budget might mean lower features or that better features means cost too much? In this review, we will help you find that perfect balance of budget plus top-notch features with a smart decision. Some of the top SEO tools in the world include Ahrefs, Semrush, Ubersuggest, SERP SEO, Moz Pro, and Phrase.io. We avoid Moz Pro and Phrase.io for some specific reasons which we will explain later in the video. So keep watching to learn more. We have done all the research for you from Trustpilot, Reddit, Quora, and real-world tests. And now we are comparing the top SEO tools brand, Ahrefs, Semrush, Ubersuggest, and SERP SEO. Let's see a clear side-by-side comparison to help you choose with confidence. Number 1. Keyword research. Let's kick off with keyword research, the backbone of any SEO strategy. It defines what content you will rank for and how much traffic you can expect. Ahrefs and Semrush shine here with excellent tools like Keywords Explorer and Keyword Magic Tool. Ubersuggest is good for basics. SERP SEO is more content focused, offering moderate keyword depth. Number 2. Rank Tracker. Now let's talk about tracking, because knowing your keyword rankings daily helps you tweak your strategy in real time. All 4 tools include rank tracking, so you will always know where your site stands in SERPs. Number 3. SERP tracking. Next up, SERP tracking. It helps you analyze how the search engine results pages evolve and who's competing for your spots. Good news. All 4 tools offer SERP tracking, giving you detailed visibility into competition and search intent shifts. Number 4. Content gap analysis. Let's move on to gap analysis. Spotting the keywords your competitors rank for you but you don't. This is where serious SEO game begins. Ahrefs and Semrush both offer robust gap analysis. Ubersuggest is limited and SERP SEO provides this more content-wise, not as a keyword gap tool. Number 5. Backlink checker. Backlinks are still king in SEO. A strong checker lets you analyze your domain authority and who's linking to your competitors. Ahrefs leads with massive index size, considered one of the best. Semrush also excels. Ubersuggest and SERP SEO are good, but not as deep. Number 6. Competitor analysis. Spying on competitors isn't shady, it's smart SEO. The right tool tells you what's working for them so you can replicate or improve it. Ahrefs and Semrush both offer deep competitor analysis. Ubersuggest give you basic insights while SERP SEO focuses on content and SERP overlap. On number 7. Next, we have on-page SEO. This checks if your page is optimized for keywords, structure, readability, and more. Semrush and SERP SEO are excellent, offering real-time scoring. Ahrefs is limited to audits. Ubersuggest is moderate and good for beginners. Number 8. Internal link audit. Internal linking boosts SEO and helps user navigate. A good tool makes this painless and scalable. Only Ahrefs and Semrush offer internal link auditing. Ubersuggest and SERP SEO do not support this feature. Number 9. Multi-language support. If you are targeting global audiences, multi-language support becomes crucial, especially for international SEO. Ahrefs, Semrush, and SERP SEO support multiple languages. Ubersuggest does not, which can limit non-English campaigns. Number 10. Geo support. Now let's talk about local SEO. Geo-targeting helps you find opportunities specific to your country, city, or region. Semrush offers precise tracking. Ahrefs has strong filters. Ubersuggest and SERP SEO offer only moderate geo capabilities. On number 11, real-time data. Next is refresh rate. In SEO, real-time or near-instant data helps you act faster than your competition. Semrush is real-time. Ahrefs has fast but not live updates. SERP SEO offers fast insights. Ubersuggest is slower on the refresh. Number 12. Free trial. Before paying, you want a taste of the tool. Free trials can make or break your decision to subscribe. Semrush and SERP SEO offer a 7-day free trial. Ubersuggest has a limited free version. Ahrefs, no free trial, just a $7 paid option. Number 13. 24/7 global support. Next, support. If your SEO tools glitch mid-campaign, you will need fast answers regardless of time zone. Ahrefs and Semrush offer round-the-clock support. Ubersuggest only supports via email, and SERP SEO offers limited help via email and docs. On number 14, we have API access. APIs matter for developers and agencies. Automating SEO reports or integrating with dashboards saves hours every week. Ahrefs and Semrush both provide advanced APIs. Ubersuggest and SERP SEO do not offer API access. Number 15. Security. Security should never be an afterthought, especially if your team or clients are accessing sensitive data and keywords. Ahrefs, Semrush, and SERP SEO offer high security, including HTTPS and two-factor authentication. Ubersuggest scores moderate here. Number 16. Speed and interface. User experience makes or breaks productivity. A smooth UI means you get more done with fewer clicks and zero frustration. Ahrefs is fast but complex. Semrush is fast and feature-rich. SERP SEO is clean and intuitive, while Ubersuggest is simple and beginner-friendly. On number 17, we have pricing. Let's talk about the cost, because powerful doesn't mean always pricey. Here's how these tools stack upon values. Ubersuggest starts at $22 per month. SERP SEO at $79 per month. Ahrefs begins at $108 per month and Semrush is $117 per month, premium pricing for deep features. Number 18. Customer rating. Lastly, what do users think? Customer ratings often reveal how these tools actually perform in real-world SEO workflows. Semrush leads with 4.6 out of 5 star, followed by Ahrefs at 4 out of 5 star ratings, Ubersuggest at 3.9 out of 5 star ratings, and SERP SEO trailing with 3.5 out of 5 star ratings. Finally, if you are curious about the latest features, models, or pricing, just check out the link in the description. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and if you want to watch more such content, must subscribe Brand Investigation for more such amazing videos. Thank you for watching.